we're going to explain how to enable Dual SIM Dual Standby, DSDS mode on your phone. This lets you use two SIM cards simultaneously, meaning you can receive calls and messages on both at the same time, although only one can be actively used for data at any given moment. The exact steps vary slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version, but the general process is similar. 1. Locate the SIM card tray. First, find where your SIM cards go. Usually there's a small tray on the side or top of your phone. You might need a SIM ejector tool, a tiny pin, to open it. If your phone didn't come with one, a straightened paperclip often works. 2. Insert your SIM cards. Carefully insert your two SIM cards into their designated slots, making sure they're oriented correctly. The notch or bevel on the SIM card will guide you. Consult your phone's manual if you're unsure about the correct orientation. Push the tray back in securely. 3. Access SIM card settings. Once your SIM cards are in place, turn on your phone. You'll need to access the settings menu, usually a gear or cogwheel icon. Then look for options like dual SIM, SIM cards and mobile networks, network and internet, or something similar. The wording might vary. 4. Enable DSDS mode if necessary. In some cases, DSDS might be enabled by default once you insert two SIM cards. However, in others, you might need to explicitly activate it. Look for options to select which SIM card to use for calls, messages, and mobile data. You might see a setting that lets you choose between Dual SIM Active or DSDS mode. Choose the one that enables both SIM cards to function simultaneously. 5. Configure SIM card preferences. This is where you assign each SIM card to its preferred functions. For instance, you might assign SIM 1 for your primary number and SIM 2 for data. This way, your calls always come through SIM 1 and your internet connection uses SIM 2. These settings are crucial for managing which SIM card is used for what purpose. 6. Verify functionality. Once you've configured the settings, make test calls and send messages from both SIM cards to ensure that they're working as expected. Try using mobile data through both SIM cards to verify the data functionality. 7. Network settings. Sometimes you need to ensure that your phone has correctly identified the network for both SIM cards. Check your signal strength indicators to verify. If one SIM isn't working, you might need to manually select the network operator. Check the SIM card settings for options like Select Network or Network Operators. 8. Restart your phone. Restarting your phone can help if you're facing any issues after enabling DSDS mode. This often resolves minor glitches related to network connectivity and SIM card recognition. Remember to consult your phone's user manual for specific instructions if you encounter difficulties. The steps provided here serve as a general guide and might slightly vary depending on your phone's